Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. So friends, I will discuss a topic that the 10 home gadgets you need right now. So friends, I will read this article and go to the mobile screen. Our slow but steady refill of our new home. We have had so much fun virtually inviting you all in to see the space, and I cannot wait to show you the rest. There's still so much in store, so stay tuned. Since moving into our new house, we have made it a point to add some modern tech here and there to make our lives easier and more efficient. And I have to say, it's made all the difference. I mean, did you see our magic over the holidays? It was quite possibly my favorite home gadgets ever. But in all seriousness, a well-connected homemakers life that much easier when you are rushing in and out with a busy schedule. Even if that just mean investing in a high-tech coffee maker, not to mention the latest tech ensures that your home is up to date and will grow with you into a future. And to be honest, some of the latest technology is just plain fun. So with that in mind, let's talk about the 10 home gadgets you need right now. So the first one is Amazon Echo. The Amazon Echo has been the talk of the town for some time now, and for good reason. Alexa can do everything from turn your smart lights on and off by voice command, play any music you want to listen to, calls your contacts, tell you about the weather, play geo parody with you. Yes, really, and even control some thermostats. The list goes on and on. Plus, it is super sleek and a second generation model come in five different colors and styles to fit in with the decor of your home. So the second one is Nest Learning Thermostat. Nest is amazing in the aspect that it learns from your daily temperature habits, meaning it can actually help make your home more energy efficient. It also work with the Amazon Echo, so you can control it with your voice. Besides, it just leaps and bounds more attractive than old traditional thermostat white smart bulb starter kit. Remember these days of the clapper. Think of these sort of like that, but way more advanced and less annoying to turn on and off. Instead of clapping to turn your lights on and off, you can install these smart bulbs around your home and control them with Alexa, Nest, Google Home, or a Philips Hue app. Just to name a few. They even offer a 4 bulb starter kit with color ambience compatible bulbs, and because they use about 80% less power than a traditional bulb, they can last for several years. Well worth of investment if you ask me. August doorbell came pro. Whatever you have an alarm system or not, having a digital doorbell with a camera is a must. It is super easy way to see how is at your door through your phone, and this model even lets you talk or to visitor through the doorbell and keep video recording for you to see later. Plus, it improves the safety of your home with its night vision cam and automatic motion sensor that turns to a floodlight to deter any danger that could be approaching your door late at night. So the fifth one is August Smart Lock Pro. Connect if you want to go one step further with your August doorbell. You can get a smart lock to go along with it. It fits over your existing door bolt. You can remotely control and unlock your door with when you are away to let guests inside, or lock your door if you forget. Plus, this one, if you love the technology of Nest to control the temperature of your home, then you definitely need its smoke and carbon monoxide counterpart too. Instead of trying to guess what confusing beep mean, this detector speak to you so you know actually what's going on. It can also communicate with other Nest device in your home so you are fully connected. So the next one is Anoma. Anova Culinary Sons White Persian cooker. If you especially love enjoying a hearty steak at home, then this kitchen gadget is for you. Instead of cooking on the stove or grill, you simply seal your meal in a plastic bag, drop in a pot of water, then attach the uh, Parisian cooker and let it tells you actually when your meal is ready. No more dry, overcooked or overcooked dinner. So the next one is Behmor, connected temperature controlled coffee maker. This coffee maker is more than just a smart gadget. Its settings are totally customizable. You can even adjust your altitude. Plus, it can pre-soak your coffee grounds and offer precious temperature setting. You can start your cup of coffee right from your phone each morning, and rumor has it that makes one of the most consistently amazing cup of coffee you can get at home. So the next one is Airbot Romba 690 with Wi-Fi. Vacuuming may be one of the least fun chores on the planet, and a quality robo vacuum keeps things tidy on a day-to-day basis. This model from Airbot contacts to Alexa and Google Home, and it can pick up everything from full-size Cheerios to teeny particles of dust. So the next one is Senso's One Smart Speaker with Alexa. If you want to eventually build a full audio system around your home, then this gadget is a perfect place to start. Not only does it have Amazon Alexa built in already, but it offers great sound quality and can be wirelessly connected to multiple speakers around your home, so you have never away from your music.